I want to become a successful doctor, especially I like to become a gynecologist. I want to see myself as a
Okay.
gynecologist.
According to me, 11th was a bit harder than 12th. Not a bit, much more harder. The syllabus is too vast. Condition of people in the country regarding medical issues is very bad. As we are all seeing this, particularly in this COVID situation.
I can bet that we are talking to great doctors, great upcoming doctors.
What do you think about the boys of your age? Do they have a understanding of girls' emotion?
Yeah. So, hello everyone, and welcome to the Unknowns. And today we have with us Diksha Agarwal and Vibhuti Namdev, two young girls, two aspiring girls, aspiring to be doctors, as far as I know. But we will be exploring them more. So, first of all, I would like Diksha and Vibhuti to introduce themselves. Yeah, Diksha, you can go first.
Hello, my name is Diksha Agrawal and I am currently in class 12. So I
Yeah.
am also a NEET aspirant. I am preparing for NEET and I want to be a successful doctor. And that's it. And today I am here to share my experiences about my life and about this corona period. And as you know, um, when I was in 10th, we had offline classes, and as we went to class 11th, we had online classes. So we were actually the first batch of class 11 to have online classes. So we had many difficulties at that time because class 10th to class 11th is a great transfer as we have to face many much pressure and many much changes as compared to class 10. So yes, today I and Vibhuti, we both are going to share our experience regarding this.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Great. Great. Yeah, Vibhuti, go ahead.
So, dear guys, myself Vibhuti Namdev. I am still currently studying in KVU Chen, and I am class 12 the biology stream student as well as a NEET aspirant. And I am also doing my diploma in Hindustani classical vocal and inspiring many of underprivileged people, and also pursuing my dreams and my other co-curricular activities day by day. And as we know, it's a COVID period. We all world are suffering from a global pandemic. I want to share my views in further discussion on how can we manage ourselves during this drastic change which is occurring in our surrounding, and how to manage studies. As Diksha said, we move from 10 to 11. There is a huge difference in syllabus, and we have to face online classes. Not we are not going to school like traditionally and not facing our teachers, our colleagues. We have to do some other extraordinary things by mobile. So let's start, friend, and we will share some more about this.
Okay.
Great, great.
So, so do you think that 11th class is the toughest class, and did the online mode made it even harsh?
According to me, 11th was a bit harder than 12th. Not a bit, much more harder. The syllabus is too vast as
Yeah.
compared to class 10th. And as I'm studying 12th, we haven't studied so many chapters yet. But as I have studied, I think 12th, I am finding 12th a bit easier than 11th. So as my experience, 11th was the hardest. And about online classes, yes, online classes made the condition a bit bad. I won't say it made the condition worse, but yes, it made the condition a bit bad as we have to study all the day in phone. It may lead to irritation. We feel a headache. We get headache, and parents also see that as teenagers, teenagers have a great issue of mood swings and anger. So these online classes added actually much more to it. I felt that when I had online classes, after that I didn't wanted to talk to anyone. I was just like, okay, leave me alone. I'm just sitting here. I am reading novels, or I am doing whatever I like. I don't want to talk to anyone. That's the thing. So this may vary with person to person, because some may feel it's comfortable because they don't have, some people like introverts. They don't like so much gatherings and all. So they may feel that it's better option. But for me, no, it wasn't a better option. Offline classes were way too better than it. And also it affected the process of learning, I think, a bit, because in online classes there are many things like network issues. Then there are students who change their names and do dramas in the classroom
Yeah,
that
yeah,
wasted their
true.
time too much, and many more such stuff. So yes, it affected classes. And further, in tests, cheating means the students who score very low marks, they are becoming toppers now because they are doing cheating. They are googling all the answers, and
Yeah.
they are getting top ranks in the class. So this is a problem, I think,
So,
actually.
Suvendu, we have finally met someone, who is suffering, who is on the other side, because we are on the that side. The person with
Yeah, Karsh, yeah.
about which you are talking, we are those people. So we have finally met someone who is suffering from this. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
Vibhuti,
yeah.
what's your take?
In this whole 12 years, from starting first to now I am in 12th, I think 11th is the most difficult class which I have seen. A huge change also took place in ninth. As we move from 8th to 9th,
Yeah,
there
yeah,
was a vast change in syllabus, but not at all, because that time we have offline class, we have our teacher guidance, and so many friends and colleagues to deal with them. But now when we move from 10th to 11th, there is a huge, like, ocean change in syllabus. And we also got our result on 15th of July, which is very late, and we began our classes on some August time, about 15th August, and we thought that we lost our more precious and peak of time. So according to me, 11th is more crucial and more difficult and more tasking than 12th. Now 12th is bit easier because we are familiar with our surroundings, with our environment, how COVID is affecting, how we have to study online, as we have done in our previous year, how to study online, how to manage ourselves, how to be consolate self, how to casual ourselves, and how to manage spirituality, family balance, our inspiration. This time, I think that motivation is the one crucial thing. Motivation is the one best thing from which we can take inspiration. We can take motivation. How can we do from better for from others? We are seeing that many of people's, many of relatives are losing their lives. They not have sufficient oxygen. I think I am too much fortunate. We are too much fortunate that we are sitting here and not on some hospitals on some ventilators. So we have to also think of other people who are suffering, whose family are suffering, and underprivileged people, who do not have any money to buy bread and butter of 2 times. They don't have money to arrange their food of 2 times. So how can they manage medical issues, medical and financial financial depression? It is very crucial and very drastic, I have to say. So according to me, 11th is much tough than 12th, because in 12th we have experience of 11th.
yeah, right.
And
Yeah,
I and
also,
I think, Akash, this is the same things which we have felt,
yeah,
when we
definitely.
used to
Even
have,
even in the offline classes,
yeah, even in the offline classes we
Hmm.
felt the same, because when we are in the 11th class we were finding the fluid dynamics and all those things very difficult.
yeah, yeah,
Even
yeah. Yeah, also,
studying.
in the 11th, suddenly you are studying for a competitive exam, an all India exam. So
Yeah,
you
yeah, yeah.
feel the pressure, like it's not just like you have to, pass the class. And yeah, so also,
Yes, the pressure is almost doubled.
yeah,
Yeah,
The
definitely.
yeah.
pressure gets doubled completely.
True, true. Also,
And the
so
students are,
the,
Akash, and the students are preparing for NEET too, na? NEET and medical too. Even
Yes.
took the classes and all those things. So it's like a
Mm-hmm.
more burden to them
Yeah,
because the
yeah,
syllabus is
Hmm.
something going on there and in school and something here it's going
Hmm.
on. They have to
yeah.
manage both things
Hmm.
properly simultaneously. I mean,
True. Yeah. So the
Hmm.
next question would be somewhat deviating from the academics that you are in that phase of a student's life or of a person's life when the adolescence age or whatever you can say, and in this people stagger a bit. Everyone, the mood swings, as Diksha said, that at this time people have mood swings and all. And
Hmm.
I remember someone said that इस समय ऐसा लगता है कि हम लोग के मम्मी पापा क्या किए हैं, पैदा ही तो किए हैं, उससे ज्यादा क्या किए हैं, है ना? तो this is that phase. So what are you guys doing to not be that person? No, everyone will suffer a bit from this period, but what are you guys doing to maintain your decorum and all?
Okay, for maintaining this, I try some meditation in the morning actually.
Okay,
Then
great
further,
man.
great.
I have mm, I ask my mom to check me that I doesn't use too much of my mobile phone, but I end up using it in nights. I am studying. I keep studying at night. Then I suddenly check my phone and I continue scrolling the mobile phone. Then I think, no, no, I should not try. I should not do this. I should study. Then I keep the phone beside and again start studying. But this affects. Then
Yeah,
further,
yeah.
I keep notifications of all the apps actually off so that I don't use phone too much because notification distracts too much. As a
Yeah,
notification come,
definitely.
a notification has arrived, then I see, oh, that friend of mine has texted me something, and I start chatting with him or her, whoever he is or she is.
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
further, actually before lockdown, I used to talk too much. Means I used to say too much, and lockdown affected me so much that if I meet someone in person, I mostly keep quiet. I don't know why this happened,
Okay.
but this happened. This is a major effect of lockdown on me because I doesn't talk to anyone too much in lockdown, so it affected. And
No, no, just explode here. Whatever you haven't said in the past days, you can say here. What about you,
Yeah,
Vibhuti?
जी भैया. As we know, it's a global pandemic, and we are in the age of 17, 16 years. We can say adolescence age. It's the bridge period of us. We are moving from our childhood to our adulthood. We have many of distractions like social media.
Hmm.
Our friends can be also a toxic one, and it's all depend on us. And some other our hobbies can also be sometime toxic one for us. So we have to manage all this. Nowadays I am pursuing my hobby as well as I sing when I feel low. When I am in blues, I talk to my parents, with my
Hmm.
mother especially, and with sometimes I also used to write down my thoughts, write down what I am feeling, because this time we don't have anyone whom we can share our feeling, because
Yeah, yeah.
people are already depressed. So how can we expect that thing from others? We have to be friend of ourselves. We have to be best friend of ourselves. We have to console ourselves, and at all we have to be live ourselves, live with joy. We have to live our lives with ourselves. We have to live our life by us. Only we can we can go to grave with us, and none can other, even our parents, our relatives. No one will be with our in our grave, in our sorrow. We have to face all things. So according to me, I have to consolate myself, I have to take care of myself, and our parents are also there, whom which can be tell us what we are feeling. And as Diksha said, I am also doing some meditation in evening, in morning.
Great,
And
great.
I think spirituality balance all. I am a hardly a spiritual person. I am a hardcore spiritual person. I have a huge faith in God, as I know, as I believe. So whenever I feel blue, I am depressed. I went to temple near my house and say all things to God, share with God. That's it.
So what do you guys, want to become, and what is the motivation behind it?
I want to become a successful doctor. Especially, I like to become a gynecologist. I want to see myself as a
Okay.
gynecologist in the future, because I used to see many underprivileged people who don't have any financial support, but still they arrange some money by lending someone, by borrowing someone, and they pay to doctors the huge fees, that fees which private hospitals took from them. And I want to do something from the persons who are in a rural area, the people who are not getting some money. And I want to just be a part of our society, be a part of our nation, who can bring some huge change. And I can say it can we can give some revolutionary things. I
Yeah.
want to see someone who is giving birth because of me, a little infant, a little child. When I will hold it, that was full. That is full that I want to be, and I want to be in my life. That feeling I want to enjoy. The feeling of holding an infant, because of you, it is borning in this world. Is taking his birth because of you. You are the doctor. You are the mentor because of which he is now or she is now in this world. I
Very true.
want to enjoy that feeling. That's the all motivation behind my aim.
Yeah.
Great thinking,
Also,
Akash.
yeah,
Great thinking.
Grace, great man. Like they're too far ahead of us. Like we did not
Yeah,
used to
man.
think that this is.
No,
No, no, no, definitely. And also, especially with the gynecologist, the thing is
Yeah.
that many infants that will be coming, and the first person they will see might be you. They won't even see
yes,
their mother for the first time, and it
first
would be
time
you. Yeah. What about you, Diksha?
because
Yeah. Say. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Actually, actually, I am too preparing for NEET and I too want to become a doctor. So the
Great.
inspiration behind this was my father, as my father is to a doctor, and
Okay.
further I want to become a
Okay.
gynecologist, just like Vibhuti said.
Wow.
I
So we
also
have
want to
two
become a
gynecologists here.
gynecologist.
Bingo.
Bingo. Great, man. Great, great.
Uh, so actually, I want to become a
So what
gynecologist.
is the motivation behind it, Disha?
Actually, I was just telling that I want to become a gynecologist because the um condition of people in the country regarding medical issues is very bad, as we are all seeing this particularly in this
Yeah.
COVID situation. And
Yeah, yeah.
I want to help people, therefore I want to become a doctor. And I would like to work in a uh, government hospital too. Most of the doctors
Okay.
don't prefer that, but I would like to, because
Mm,
maybe it may help something, because most of the poor people can't go to private hospitals and all.
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
True. Also, as you guys mentioned that you are at home, you are studying in online mode, and there are all sorts of distraction around you. But the problem this time is that the distraction is also the refreshment. Like the social media, you can use it as a refreshment also, and it's a major cause of distraction also. So, what do you guys do for
Yes,
refreshment and not get distracted?
yes, this is so true, because we don't have any other sources of refreshment nowadays, because we
Yeah.
can't go out. We are in home. We have our television, laptop, and mobile phones. That's it, with
Mm.
our family members. So I basically go to the terrace, have a walk, or sometimes I would prefer to call some of my friends and talk to them, talking to parents or my younger brother. And I further do help my younger brother in his project works and all because it is so refreshing. He cracks so funny and useless jokes, and I feel like, okay, I got refreshed by
Yeah.
hearing his rubbish stuff at all. And then I use social media as refreshment too. I watch YouTube videos or Amazon, some videos in Amazon Prime,
What
like
do you
movies
like on
or
YouTube?
other things. Okay, YouTube. I like you in YouTube. I mostly watch something like shopping videos. We can't
Okay.
go out shopping, so I watch shopping videos. It's kind of more refreshing
And do
than
you like vlogs and all?
yes. Okay, okay, right. Not too much.
Okay.
Vlogs
Okay,
related to
okay.
shopping. I like vlogs related to shopping and that stuff.
Okay, okay.
What's with
So in
you,
shopping,
Vibhuti?
what you like the most?
Hmm?
In shopping, what you like the most? Means clothes or ornaments, what you like?
Uh, I like shopping of clothes the most.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, Vibhuti.
Okay, we go ahead.
Yes, as we know, one thing have its own benefits as well as its own adverse effects. So I think that social media have also its own benefits and it also have its own worst effect. I was in social media. I was involved in social media at during my 10th class. I was in at 10th class. I used to scroll down Facebook, but when I came to 11th, I deactivated my account. The reason behind it is the syllabus and some pressure of studies and need. I am unable to manage both, so I deactivated my account. Nowadays, I am only using a WhatsApp. Recently, for managing my stress level and for my refreshment, for my recreation, I recently saw Scam 1992, the Harshad Mehta story.
Oh,
It was a
Oh,
huge
the great
inspiring
content.
story. The intro,
Yeah,
it's like a rush of adrenaline, a rush of
yeah,
epinephrine. Its
yeah.
intro is mind blowing. What the actor Pratik Gandhi has done, it's mind blowing, and I am speechless after watching Scam 1992. And
oh, great.
I also watched. Yesterday, I have completed one more series of the viral fever aspirants, UPSC
Oh,
aspirants.
yeah, yeah.
Oh,
You are
And
watching great content, let me tell you. You are watching some great
uh,
content.
yes, so yeah, I am highly
Yeah.
interested
So,
in it.
who is your
And
favorite character in it? In Aspirants?
favorite character in aspirants, Sandeep Bhaiya.
Sandeep Bhaiya.
oh,
Sandeep Bhaiya is
Sandeep
everyone's
Bhaiya.
favorite.
so
Sandeep
why
Bhaiya
did
or,
you?
and Dhairya. Dhairya, I
Dharya.
like
Okay.
this Dhairya. She
What did you
suffered
find common in Sandeep Bhaiya? Why do you like Sandeep Bhaiya? I mean,
because he have plan B, not because he said that the plan B is not for losers, it's
oh,
for maintaining a balance. And I
okay.
also like SK because
Hmm.
he want to maintain the balance between the tripod Puri,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Avilash and SK. And I also like Dhairya because as her name defines, Dhairya means Dhairya,
Yeah,
Dheeraj.
Yeah,
yeah. She has
She
so
is
much,
a very
composure
she is
within
very
herself.
sensible. She is very
Yeah.
yeah.
sensible girl. She sacrificed all things. She sacrificed Abhilash because of
Yeah.
his desire, for Abhilash's desire. And that was, and I also watched the Dice Media series MBBS season 2 and MBBS season
Okay.
1 for my inspiration as I want to be a doctor. And that's
Okay.
all
Yeah,
web
yeah,
series, sometimes films, and some music. And music to hai hi apna. Music heals everything and
yeah.
spirituality. That's all I create in
Great,
myself.
great, great.
So, so as you are in a 11th class, you are going to give 12th board exam this year, na? You have completed 11th class. Now you are going to give 12th board this year. How tensed are you? I mean, are you tense?
No, we are not all tests because we have passed 10th and we have experience how to manage. And I think that we have more than sufficient time because it's a lockdown period. We
Hmm.
have to
Yeah, yeah.
study at least 6 hours. We have to do self study of 6 hours if we want a 90 plus percentage. That's all. We don't have to be panic to be bothered about how can we manage our board exams. And I also want to share that we both Diksha and we got good decent marks in
Same
10th with the
percentage.
standard best.
When
But
our
we
percentage
don't
was
have any.
exactly same in 10th.
How much? How much?
How much you have
Yes,
secured?
our percent we secured 93% with standard
Oh,
best
great
and
man,
10th.
Akash.
Great.
Both
We
of
are.
us.
We.
We
I
both
can.
we
I can
both have
bet
same
that.
percentage.
I can bet that we are talking to great doctors, great upcoming doctors.
Yeah, yeah,
Great,
man.
great.
The country is in great hand, man, Akash.
Actually, regarding 12th, I always think पहले जिनका भी 12th है उनका तो बोर्ड हो जाए फिर हमारे बारे में हम सोचेंगे क्या होगा.
Yeah,
अभी
yeah.
आराम है तुम लोग का, अभी ज्यादा टेंशन नहीं दे लेना.
So the next question I would like to ask, yeah, what do you think about the boys of your age? You know, do they have a understanding of girls' emotion?
I think it
Answer and
depends
answer
from person to
vehemently.
person.
Answer vehemently. You don't need to, put any layers of, just answer what
Yeah,
you
yeah,
want.
yeah. What you want?
I think it may depend from person to person. As I have some friends who are some friends from like I have 2 3 friends as boys also. So I also talk. I mostly talk to them only, and otherwise I don't talk. And I feel that they do all the rubbish stuff all the time. And
Okay.
Yeah.
um, yeah,
Yeah, with you, Vibhuti.
and
Yes, every creature has its own mental balance, own
Hmm.
thinking. As
Hmm.
Diksha said, it's vary from person to person, from people to people. Some of want to be friend of all. I also have some male friends from Jashpur also, from the class 9th and 8th. I studied there. Today I am also in contact with my male friends. I think that it's totally depend on them, how they conceive, how they believe, and how they want to be with us. What are their habits? And one thing also I want to share that the parenting play a crucial role how a person behaves with you.
Very true.
We know
Yeah.
that all we have not same parenting. Some only brought up by their parents, and some have too much good stuff, too much good habits that transferred from their parents. So we can
Yeah,
say
yeah.
that a person of this age is the mirror of his or her parenting.
Great.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Great
You know, there are
answer.
so many boys who are, creeping out to the girls. I'm asking, how you guys are managing it. If the boys are, doing such
first
stuff.
of all, we are having online classes, so we don't have to face them face to face. It's
Okay.
But most of the
it's
stuff they do is on social media.
Yeah, yeah.
yes,
So how
that's
you
true.
guys manage?
So,
They
so
are too focused,
actually,
man.
I have made.
Yeah,
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 yeah, they are too
Diksha.
Actually, I
focused.
have so many pending requests. I restrict most of the people in my Instagram account so that they couldn't text me, except some of my close friends. And if they text, I see them and just ignore. Or if I want to say something, then I talk to them. If I find the thing useful, and in WhatsApp, I only save the number of the people
Yeah, you mean
mm,
the whom you
whom I
trust, you like to talk. The
yes,
people you don't trust, you don't
actually
like to
like that.
talk.
Yes,
Yeah.
Okay.
With you,
and
Vibhuti.
As I have told that I
She's
switch
not on
off my
social
social media.
media. She has eradicated the chance for anyone to come closer. Great, well done.
No, I am not in social media. I deactivated my single account Facebook, and this was also the one factor because of which I dared to death. Because in this age, people, they comes to you for their meaning. They come for cringe
Yeah.
content. They come from their own. They come because of their own benefit. So why we spend our life for some others? We have to do something for us. As we are NEET aspirants, we have known too much time for entertaining other people. We have to study. We have to manage ourselves, and we also have our families. We can talk to them. So why we be some source of entertainment of for some others? As Diksha said, only limited people in WhatsApp. Also, I have also put some limited contact, some relatable and some close contact in my WhatsApp. And as I am not on Instagram, not on Facebook, and not on Twitter, and on the ground level, I say that it's a lockdown period since for a last year. So we are not facing some dumps and some moron buns. So we don't have to think about it. But as this period will over, it will also over after some time. The lockdown will also over. The dust will also settle down after some time. So we shall have to face them. So we shall face them with our all enthusiasm, our all energy. We have to put our deeds right. We have to believe in karma. We have to do our karma and think all the result on the God. That's all.
Yeah.
Great thinking.
Yeah, the one thing, when you are with the God, you don't have to face any challenging things because God is watching, and it's
Yes,
all about,
absolutely right.
spirituality.
Yeah. So, what do you think about the relationships of your age? Like, even if you are not in one, you might have seen a lot of them, right? So, what do you think about if I will see it from now, I would be like it's very naive. It's very either cute or either very stupid. So, what do you think at this point of time?
It's
Okay,
totally
about
depend on
it.
the person is contributing in yourself, or it's with you for her or his own benefit. I suggest that we have to put our all energy, our all potential in ourselves, and not to involve in this age in all such useless things. I think.
Yeah,
Great
yeah,
answer.
yeah.
Yeah, Diksha.
Okay, I think relationship problem is matlab, means relationship. Many of my friends are in relationship currently, and I actually talked to one of my friends yesterday. She was so irritated by her boyfriend because he said because she added some of her pictures and status, and he said, "Why are you doing so? Why are you so socializing?" And they had a very much great fight yesterday. So
Yeah.
she called me yesterday and told me this. So I am saying currently this is not useful at all. Relationships and all, it is currently useless, and we okay, for some people it may feel, yeah, it's good, so they can continue. I'm not saying that they shouldn't involve in this thing, but actually I think it's not the right time to be in relationships and all. First, you may get enrolled in a college, then you may think about it. So
Yeah.
the thoughts may vary person to person what they think about it. So that's the thing.
Okay, so I would like to ask a question to Vibhuti. Vibhuti, as you are a bit inclined towards spirituality, so what, according to
Yes.
you, is the meaning of it and how you experience it a bit?
Spirituality, if not me, it not simply means that doing bhakti, putting some agarbattis, and playing ghantis. It's
Yeah.
all from inner. It's
Yeah, yeah,
experiencing positivity. It's about experiencing positive energy which comes from every person. Every person have two type of energy. It's can be constructive and it can be a destructive ones. We have to
yeah,
take all positive energy from it. As we involved in spirituality, we develop a huge sense of positivity in us. Within us, there is an aura set up. I think. And aura is the one which attracts people. It can be our friends, our siblings, our cousins, our relatives, and so on. All the people whom we met and whom we are going to meeting. It's all about how can you balance, have faith in God. There is something, and there is something which is running the whole world. I think so. For me, it's the God, or it can be some source of energy. It can be Shiva, as many of us believe. In our
Yeah.
Hinduism rituals, we believe in Shiva, Lord Ram. And nowadays, Ramayana and Mahabharat are also coming in a television. And
Bro, which one do you like?
Yeah.
Of both of you, which one do you like? Ramayan, Mahabharat, pick one.
I like Ramayana because Mahabharat
Okay.
seems like boring one for me.
Okay,
I like
okay.
to
For
choose.
me,
I like to
also,
go with
I
Well, it's too vast.
I
it's
too
too
like
vast.
Ramayana because Mahabharata is first, it is too vast, as you said, and yeah, Ramayana is more interesting actually.
Okay. Yeah.
But I also want to say that the Gita, the Bhagavad Gita,
Hmm.
the Upanishad given by Krishna during the Kurukshetra Maidan, during
Yeah.
the fight,
Battle in the battle.
uh,
Yeah.
the battle, the battle of Mahabharata, the battlefield on the battlefield.
Yeah.
The
Yeah.
Upanishads and the teaching were like a key source, were like a sword for all of us. I would like to say that we all must have to read Gita. All must have to that part of Mahabharata. I am not saying that we have to watch whole Mahabharata series and
Yeah.
put our crucial time on it. I
Yeah.
just want to say that we have to see that part, how Lord Krishna consoled Arjuna, how he was not on the mood of battling, he was not on the mood to be go against of her Dronacharya, her grandfather Bhishma Pitamaha, and and his own cousins Duryodhan, his own
This
brother
Dusashan and all.
Karn,
Yeah.
Durshasan and all. He don't want to go against them. How Lord Krishna gave teachings to Arjun, how they stuck the positivity, how
Hmm.
they console him, how they move it from the negative aura to the positive aura. And it seems like a huge attitude change. I would like to say that we must have to read Gita at once and just be with God.
Very right.
So the great thing we got to know from for our viewers that the Gita people should read Gita.
Yeah, people should read Gita definitely. Should we move on
Yeah.
to the rapid fire, Subhendu?
Yeah. Go ahead, Akash.
Yeah. So now we will be moving on to the rapid fire. So the answers need to be a bit quick and short, yeah, either in one word or in one line. That's up to you. So yeah,
Okay.
Diksha, should we start with you?
Yes, sure.
Yeah. So you read a lot of novels. So the first question is, what is your favorite novel? Which is your favorite novel?
Revolution 2020 by Chetan Bhagat.
Okay, I've
Okay.
read it. Bro, you have read The Alchemist too, right?
Yes, I have read it.
Yeah, okay, great. And if you had a chance, since you like dancing also, I think.
Yes, I like
Yeah, so if
dancing.
you have a chance of either becoming a doctor or becoming a dancer, which one would you choose? Only one option.
Oh, I would choose doctor obviously because I prefer it more and I could continue dancing by becoming a doctor too. So I would choose becoming
Okay.
a doctor over becoming a dancer actually.
Yeah. So
So
you
she is
like
a
to,
neat aspirant. She is
yeah.
neat aspirant.
So you like to travel as well, I think, as you have told me.
No, yes, I like tours more. The traveling part of it, I doesn't like that too much. I just like whether it's a car, train, or plane. I just sleep and tell my mother wake me up when we reach the destination.
So
The
you
main
do
thing I
you
like is reaching the destination and
okay, okay.
exploring all
So
the
which
place
one,
actually.
which destination would you choose, Switzerland or Kashmir?
Okay, Kashmir. Obviously, I
Okay.
means I
You
have
are
visited
showing
Kashmir once.
you are showing
No,
nationalism
that's
here.
not the thing. No, that's not the thing. I have visited Kashmir once. It's a very good place actually to visit, and I would love to visit it again.
Great, great, great. And then a life in India or life in abroad? Like which one would you choose if you had to choose one 5 or 10 years down the line?
I would, okay, I would like to choose life abroad
Okay.
actually. I
Now she has
love
made up for it
some of
for
my
choosing
relatives.
Kashmir.
Yeah, yeah. Kashmir?
Yeah, compare
Okay.
yourself to a food item, Diksha.
Okay, comparing myself to a food item. Um, okay, comparing myself to food item. Many of my friends call me Maggie because I have curly hair.
Okay,
I think I should compare myself with Maggie only.
okay.
Some
And
of my friends call me Maggie because I have such curly hair.
yeah, and if you have one superpower to change something in this world, what would you change?
Okay, superpower to change something in the world. Mm, first of all, I would be a bit selfish in this manner. Not,
Okay, okay,
I
okay.
would not think too much about this world or people.
Yeah.
I would, I would change. I should think about this.
Yeah, yeah. Think it, think it.
I think you should go to Kashmir and then change it to Switzerland. So you would have visited both.
Okay.
Yeah,
This is actually a good idea.
yeah. So, what one line would
I will
you?
change my permanent. Wait, I may change my permanent living place to a city where there is a beach because I like beaches too much.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay.
So, what one line would you have to be written on your tombstone, on your grave? One line from your side to this world. One last line.
One last line from me to the world. Okay, I would go for just for a quote, not my words, but a quote just that the secret of life is to fall 7 times, but to get up 8 times. I like this quote too much. Therefore, I would
Yeah,
love to get it returned in my
yeah,
grave.
yeah, yeah.
Actually,
I also did. By whom is it? I don't remember that.
it is the from the writer of Alchemist.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, that book has some
So,
great quotes.
yeah,
Paulo
yeah,
Coelho. Yes.
Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
So
Sunil.
now I'm going to take a rapid fire of Vibhuti. So, if Vibhuti, are you ready?
Yes, of course.
Okay. So the first question is, since you like cricket, if you had a chance to meet one cricketer, whom would you meet?
Virat Kohli.
Arey, high five, Vibhuti.
And Mahendra Singh Dhoni also. And
Okay.
if we talk about some international, then
Hmm,
Yeah.
Steven Smith from Australia.
hmm.
Okay. So the second question, if there is no option of doctor, what would you like to become?
IAS officer.
Oh,
Okay, that's great, right?
highly aspirational people.
Highly aspirational people. What is the one thing in Indian society that you hate?
People are judging. I don't want
Hmm.
some people because we all have our own stories. We all have our
Yeah,
own passings. So who are they to judge ourselves? Who are they to judge ourselves? Who are they to
yeah,
judge us?
definitely.
I don't want any kind of judgment. I want to live our life as we want. My life,
Yeah, yeah,
my rules.
definitely, definitely. So compare yourself to a food item.
Food item. Rasgulla.
Rasgulla.
As sweet as
Why is
Rasgulla.
that? Why is that?
Because I like Rasgulla.
Okay.
I
Okay, so since you are interested in music, your favorite singer and song?
there's no particular, but in a classical, favorite singer Kaushiki Chakrabarti ji, and
Okay.
in Bollywood, favorite singer Arijit Singh, Shreya Ghoshal,
Okay.
and
Okay.
Lata Mangeshkar ji. फेवरेट
Okay.
सॉन्ग तो ऐसा भी कुछ पर्टिकुलर तो नहीं है,
हाँ.
लेकिन बट आई लाइक होल एल्बम ऑफ कबीर सिंह
Okay.
Okay.
एंड कैसे हुआ इज स्टिल माय फेवरेट.
Yeah.
Okay. So someone who inspired you apart from your parents, I mean.
Apart from my parents,
हाँ.
on ground level or in global
On
level?
ground level and in global level too.
Global level, I am highly inspired by in music A.R. Rahman,
Okay.
in a field
He
of
is also
life.
highly spiritual.
Yeah.
Yes, and in terms of life, I am inspired by Major Muhammad Ali Shah. He's a retired army officer.
Okay.
You can see them in a Josh Talk.
Okay,
And
definitely we'll
my
check it out.
inspiration is Gaur Gopal Das.
I know, yeah, I know.
Gaur Gopal Das, Amok Dila Prabhu and all. And
Okay.
one more whom I took them as idol is our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi.
Okay.
He's
Okay.
serving our nation.
Yeah.
And
yeah,
in ground level, I have
Yeah.
one I have one my close friend,
Okay.
and in and I think that
Hmm.
the most powerful resource of inspiration for me is me. I want to
Definitely.
I like to inspire from myself because I know what I have passed and what I have survived. So
Yeah, yeah.
that's inspiration. That's the point from where the huge inspiration comes. कि बेटा अब तो ये झेल लिया तो अब ये भी पास हो जाएगा.
Great.
Or and close friend, I can say ground level
Okay.
apart from my parents. I have one close friend.
Okay. So the next question is life in India or life in abroad?
ऐसे अगर कहा जाए तो I want to serve my nation, so life in India, but Indians are not too much good. Abroad भी जा सकते हैं.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
also like to wait abroad. Go
Okay.
abroad.
So what would you want to have written on your tombstone?
One thing I realized in my life, it's my
Yeah.
own thought. We
Yeah.
sometimes we compare ourselves with others. That वो तो इतना पढ़ रहा है, मैं तो कुछ पढ़ ही नहीं रही. वो इतना पढ़ रही है, मैं तो कुछ पढ़ ही नहीं रही. मेरा क्यों?
Yeah.
And not ourselves. Our parents also used to compare with Sharma ji ka beta. है ना?
Yeah.
Yeah.
With Sharma ji ka beta. Our parents also used to do it. For
Yeah.
them, I quoted one quote. I am the inventor of that. It's that life don't always goes to stronger or faster man, but sooner or later, the person who wins is the one who thinks he can. We have all
Okay.
potential in ourselves. If we
Great.
believe in ourselves, then all things will be in your foot in the upcoming days.
Great. I think Henry Ford or someone also said that if you think you can or if you think you can't, in both cases you are right. Like
Yeah.
even if you think that you
Yes.
can, you will, and if you think you can't, you won't. So
You
that's
won't.
great.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that was the
Yeah.
rapid
That
fire
was a-
round, and
Now we can have
that
a vocal cord session.
yeah,
of Vibhuti.
definitely from Vibhuti. Vibhuti, please
Yeah.
enlighten or please share some
Song?
music
Have-
from us. Yeah.
Yeah. Whatever you like.
Song. Whatever I like.
Yeah.
It's depends on you guys. You
No, no, no.
suggest.
What?
You have
You want classical or you want Bollywood? Just tell that.
Yeah.
classical or
Go with
Bollywood?
Bollywood. Go with Bollywood. Go with Bollywood.
Bollywood.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which song? Which song would you
A
like
Kabir
to
Singh song
listen?
only if you like that
Yeah.
album.
Okay. One song. ये आई ना.
हाँ, ये
So
Oh.
by
shall
Shreya
I?
Ghosal, yeah.
Yeah.
या
Go on.
ना है या तू है जो रोज मुझको सवारे इतना लगे सोचने क्यों मैं याद करती रे बारे. That's all for like.
Great,
And
man.
Great.
Great.
That was
and
too nice.
one inspirational also I want to sing.
Yeah.
कि
Definitely.
जाना
Yeah.
नहीं तू कहीं हार के कांटों पे चल के मिलेंगे साए बाहर के. That's all from my side.
Great. Definitely. So, guys, it was great to have you. Great to have you.
And
I hope,
no.
yeah.
And Disha, would you like to perform something?
Yeah, we will have
No,
parting messages from
no.
them. We will have parting messages from their side. So it was great to have both of you. Like you guys, the one thing that I would like to say that the people of your age are mostly shy or mostly into different things. Like they don't want to do a podcast or something. But when Diksha messaged me from the front that okay, I want to be a part of this, I was like, man, this is something different. And what I have seen today is something
Yeah.
really different. What do you think, Subhendu?
Actually, I also asked so many of my friends if they want to come.
Yeah,
None of them agreed.
that is what I'm
One of
saying.
my friend Harshit agreed, but he was like, I would like to call one of my other friends too. I am feeling a bit shy. Then I asked Vibhuti and she said, yes, I would love to. So then I said, Harshit, okay, you may participate some other time. This time I have found someone else.
Yeah, great,
On that
great.
point,
Guys,
I want to say something. I want to share
Yeah.
that
Yes.
after watching Scam 1992, I watched a podcast of Pratik Gandhi, which was taken by Beer Biceps Ranveer
Ranveer
Allahabadi.
Allahabadi. Yeah, great
Ranveer Allahabadi.
podcast.
From that point, I just want to take podcast or give podcast. Diksha
Yeah,
today
yeah.
called me. चल पॉडकास्ट लेना है आज. मैंने बोला चलो तैयार है अब तो. उस पॉइंट के बाद मेरी पॉडकास्ट में इतना I was totally influenced by podcast. That
Great.
was the reason. And I also
You
want
know,
to convey my
yeah.
messages through this.
Yeah, it's a stage, people are trying to convey some message and they don't have a platform, so that's why we build this, the unknowns. So from here you can
Yes.
convey whatever message you like, and the people
Yeah.
will definitely watch. And it was a
Yeah.
really great session, and means I really enjoyed. I am feeling enthusiasm right now.
Yeah,
So
very true. We have been inspired by
So
these people, man.
we are also selling in same boat.
Yeah. So,
I got
how was your experience, guys? How was your experience?
yeah.
Mine was mind blowing. It was my first time. All time I used to take podcast of other people's. I used to take podcast of my uncle, of my father, of my mother, of my sibling, of my school friends, of my close friends. But it is first time when I was invited to give podcast. That
It's our
was
pleasure.
mind blowing for me. Other level of this, other level of enjoyment, and it's my pleasure to be a part of this.
And what
I
about
too enjoyed very much here. It was a new experience for me. I had never been in a podcast ever earlier, so I enjoyed it a lot. And I would from now I think I may take part in some other podcasts also.
yeah, definitely.
Great. It was a great experience, guys, and hope that all your dreams come true. Like, and they will most probably because the
all
way
the
you guys are
all
working,
the
the mind you guys have. So,
yeah.
yeah.
It's
So,
really
Yes.
Shubhendu,
Like,
you can say that it's
Yeah. Means now you guys can sign off, And
Yeah.
it's really, nice to have you guys.
Yeah, thanks,
Bye.
guys. Thanks.
Thank you. That was a great experience for us too. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.